Ask old Kelly the fiddler to play in the blues. He'll play as he chooses, and with every beat he'll be turning his feet with his old leather shoes. Now pass him the booze. Raised on potatoes and whiskey, he'll tell you his views, but he's got a short fuse and gets terribly skittish when told that the British are back in the news. Pass him the booze. Aye, by God, he's a rover. He sold off the family land to come over, and that is a loss that he'll never recover. So pass him the booze. He's got nothing to lose. Wife and kids, sure he's got a dozen, sitting at home in a cottage half frozen, while he took the money to purchase the rosin to honor the muse. Now pass him the booze. Just pass him the booze. Idle-dee-deedle-day, that's how the bow it goes to and fro, and soon there'll be no stopping the lads here from hopping the soles off their shoes. Now pass him the booze. Who's going to buy the next round? By God, it's a wonder he's not falling down. No, in fact, he's still making that beautiful sound, and you just can't refuse him. Now pass him the booze. There isn't a jig that old Kelly don't know. The lassies all smile when he picks up his bow, but he won't be performing unless he's been warming the fingers he'll use. Now pass him the booze. He'll get it if he's got to beg, steal, or borrow. Drown away sorrow like there's no tomorrow. You'll never see him lock the straight and the narrow, not if he can choose to be taken the booze. Just pass him the booze. Brogan with Barney from Larnty Killarney, the fiddler is a and by booze will be sweating, but you'll not hear Kelly till he fills his belly with what he may choose to be taking the booze. Not to be mean, but his woman Kathleen says you haven't been sober a day since 16 to 3 decades have passed since at mass you've been seen, for you've rattled the pews till you've gotten your booze. And when you die you will be in a pub for the rest of all eternity, with a wenches of nothing but blackest of tea with some milk if you choose. They won't give you no booze. And when your fiddle you seizes, you'll have to play heavenly jigs for Jesus, who'll not be letting you go till he pleases to pay off the dues for the taking of booze. Just pass on the booze. Never forget the day that old Kelly was flat on his back from filling his belly, and cursed every fiddler McGann to Capelli for stealing his cues. Now pass him the booze. Very next day on the feast of St. Paddy's he managed to crawl in the door of Hanratty's and fiddled all night for the lasses and laddies who couldn't refuse him but paid him in booze. Nothing so fierce as an Irish hangover. The chances are practically nil to recover, but long ago Irish musicians discovered the potion to use. Take a little more booze. By the time the third morning go round, fiddle in pieces upon him was found, and he beat his own hand and stomped on the ground and said, "What'll I use now to get me some booze?" Just pass it over.